I think so most of the parents doesn't know what is Montessori. Maybe some will think it is just a play school kind of thing, or it's not a normal school. But I must say it's a proper schooling with a different approach of learning. As in the traditional schools, what they are generally doing, they are teaching the child how to do, what to do exactly, maybe a kind of spoon feeding, what basically we don't need in our daily life, right? As everyone knows, skills are the most important part nowadays. So in this Montessori, what I learned through Alaya, what they are doing, my child is doing everything on her own. She's exploring, discovering on her own, and learning at her own pace.
I know that the initial 6 years are very important for any child's brain development, especially, right? So we started with a conventional school for him, and we found that he is not enjoying that much academically in the school. So we were always in a search of a school wherein he should enjoy. While going and waking up to go to school, he should feel happy. He should never say that I don't want to go to school because they'll ask me to do so and so activities, right? We knew that this is what we were searching for since last 2 years for him. And today it's been almost 6 months for our son, and we can see that not even a single day he has told us that I don't want to go to school today, because every day there is something new for him here, right? So that's a major difference between a conventional and a Montessori setup, is what we feel.
They let the kids learn at their own pace. For example, let me say the other schools, they have these limits that by KG1 it's the kid starts writing, KG2 the kid starts reading. Montessori is more of like what the child is interested in, and it helps them grow with that pace.
To me, Montessori was just a kindergarten school. That was my understanding of Montessori. Versus then I understood, okay, it is a learning methodology which has certain concepts, teaching concepts, and the classroom setup, the atmosphere, how the classroom is being set up and things like that. As the name suggests, this is more of student-led program and a style versus a classroom or a teacher-led style in the conventional school. So here the kids are left to explore their areas of interest. They are not being completely restricted and directed only towards the classroom model. Just a bunch of students sitting and then looking into the blackboard, and then the teacher is trying to teach them something. Versus here the kids get it firsthand. They go and start picking up items of their interest and learn it by themselves.
Initially, she was, we couldn't tell her that you do this, you do that. But after, putting her in a Montessori school, we let her be. And she has slowly, taking tasks independently. She herself volunteers, I know I will do this, I'll do that. We need not, keep telling her, you have to do this. Because that is what the teachers here also told me, that, children take their time. We just have to present them the opportunity. So that's what we've been doing, and we see that she has been, taking up those opportunities and tried to do them independently. So that is one change we have noticed in her.
What amazes us is like how naturally she is inculcating the habits of confidence, or maybe general skills, day-to-day life. So this is the most important thing I wanted to see in my child, so that as soon as she's grow up or over the time period, she will be able to maybe perform on stage or something. So for that, confidence is the most important thing. It's been 1.5 years to this Montessori family. So now she is doing her things on her own. She's learning on her own pace, and how naturally she has evolved from a normal toddler to a confident, expressive, and more importantly, a beautifully independent child.
Previously, before coming to this school, we were always skeptical about him not sharing too much with other kids around him, right? But here he has learned that a lot, because it's like open age concept, right? A lot of other age group kids, they sit together and they play. So he has learned a lot about sharing, about waiting, about patience, and a lot of creativity.
I'm really happy that she's understanding the things and not just doing it for the sake of doing it, but she's understanding and doing it. That is the best, which normally other schools, they do not really, they don't see that if the child is really understanding and doing it. They just do it because they are in that particular setup. So I'm really happy with it.
From the academic front, I could feel that they are learning things on practical front, right? So they are trying to apply some logic. There is some reasoning and some logic behind things that they are learning. So the learning gets more personalized versus theoretical. So that is another difference, that I could observe in a Montessori method of learning.
Frankly, I was not even knowing what is exactly Montessori, because in India, I think till now it was not that much popular. We had a doubt whether we have to put her in the Montessori or a normal traditional school. Everyone knows how to read and write, but the most important is how you are getting a job, or maybe how entrepreneurs are developing, because they think from their own mind, right? Then we researched over it, and we have come here. We had a lot of sessions with them, discussed about what exactly our child's journey will be over the period. Then we learned that yes, this only we wanted in our child, not a spoon feeding kind of.
My concern was, will they ever take a liking to learning, because my daughter was a very playful kid. She doesn't want to sit down in one place. So my doubts were like whether she could learn to focus on a particular thing and try to learn things. Those were my doubts. Initially she did take time, but eventually she started adapting to this and she did make improvements. So that was one doubt. My other doubt was she should be on par with other kids her own age, whether she'll be lacking. Even that was proven otherwise. She is quite equal on an equal level with kids who go to regular schools. So even that doubt was proven otherwise. So slowly, when we started seeing improvements in her, we started trusting the school more, because their approach was actually working than the conventional approach.
As a parent, I had a lot of doubts, like how my child will be doing and things like that. But then now I'm very happy and very clear about what she is doing while in the class. It's like a assurance I have that okay, my child is in a safe environment and she's learning. She's not idle, she's learning in a better way, and she's been given freedom to choose everything, and which is very important again and again. That's why I'm stressing on that part. She's happy that she can get to choose what she wants, not that it's been controlled or told by an adult that you have to do this. So that is really beautiful to see.
When you try to do something, there are always people who are naysayers, right? And we also actually went into that, and we were talking to our friends and they tell her, yaar Montessori mein dal rahe ho, your child would not learn to write. And we were also skeptical at some point, he'll not be able to write. But yeah, that is the risk we took. And we had our apprehensions that we'll not be able to do something, he'll be behind. But right now we see quite the opposite. He's writing, he's doing addition, subtraction. As a matter of fact, he's advanced from kids his age who are yet again trying to speak. He reads full sentences from the book, and that is commendable.
One day he has to go in a formal school after certain years, right? Will he be able to clear the interview? And that was my first question here when we came here for inquiry. And then we asked a lot of questions about how he learn about mathematics concept, how he learn about English, reading. And then they told you, take your time, let him come here, you see the progress. Because we didn't saw any board here, chalks here, we didn't saw any copy or pencil here, or we are not sending any books here, right? So we were very doubtful that how he is going to learn that. But we made sure that okay, it's let's take a decision for 1 year at least. We'll see in LKG during his age of 4 years. So you won't believe that from his previous school we have purchased LKG books, okay, just to see that he'll be aligned with his other peers in his previous old school, right? That he is covering all the concepts or the topics which are there in LKG book in a conventional school and which are being taught here. And you won't believe me that he is way ahead of those books. And now I think last 3-4 months we have not even touched those books, because we know that there is no addition subtraction concept in LKG in any of a traditional school, but he is doing here. So we are very confident now that our decision was right. Our decision to take a step towards Montessori was absolutely right, and we have no doubt sending him in a formal school in upcoming years whenever, and we are sure that he'll clear his interview for sure.
What we were thinking previously, or as I mentioned, where we come from traditional schools. So if a particular child is not able to do a particular milestone at a particular age, it's always the parents or the child even are questioned. it's something like यार ये 2 साल का हो गया अभी तक ये नहीं कर पाया. What this taught us that every child has his own pace. Okay, they grow at their own pace, they flourish at their own pace. So right now we see a drastic change in him, but he's actually flourishing in the things that he likes. So that's a huge change that we are seeing.
It is okay to let your kid a little free in most of the areas, and only try and restrict them in few areas, right? Because the more free they are, they will try and express themselves more, versus the more restricted they are, it is going to be the other way around, right? So I think that is something which it is kind of a reaffirmation to your parenting style.